Hello, my dear viewers. This is the Dukascopy Academy, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Well, myself, Rakesh, I am a Dukascopy's trading community member. Today is 13th March 2024. Well, the day is Wednesday, and it's been a lovely day. There's a lot of development in the Forex market. Please do not confuse me as an employee of Dukascopy or any of the research team member. I'm not their member of research team. I'm an independent analyst. Therefore, all the views or the trading ideas or opinions that I'm going to discuss with you in this webinar, they are of my own. They don't have anything to do with the Dukascopy bank. Now, as an analyst, I know that every piece of information is already priced in the chart, so we will refrain from discussing anything that is fundamental in nature and will focus only on the price action. So I'll be using very less number of indicators, for example RSI sometimes, or maybe volumes sometimes, but more or less it will be focused on the price only. Okay, so for our charts we'll be using the candlestick type of charts, and we will try to find out the key levels of importance for all the pairs that we are going to discuss, and we will majorly discuss the major currency pairs. Now, if you are new to the technical analysis, I will request you to go to the home page of this channel, go to the playlist section, and you can search for the playlist. There are two playlists that I have created. One is profitable candlestick patterns and the other one is profitable charts pattern. Now these are the two playlists that I have created. If you go through them in your own time, it will really help you in understanding what we are talking about in this program. Of course, at the end of the session, I'll be taking the questions from the viewers. So please ask your questions in the chat and I'll try to answer them when I'm done with the session in around 20 to 30 minutes. So lastly, before I start the session, I must tell you that everything that I say in this live stream is only for information or knowledge. Please do your research by yourself before you put your money on the live markets. And with this, before we start, I must also take you through the risk disclaimer, because there is a high level of risk and it is not suitable for all, like it is written here. You can pause the video here, understand the risk that is involved in trading the forex market, and once you have the knowledge of all the risks that are involved, then only go to the charts. So the first chart that is there now on your screen is the US dollar index. Now US dollar index is right now trading at 102.693, although yesterday it was trading somewhere around 102.90, and we had created this channel indicating that the price can reverse from here like this. This was the level which was marked as the resistance, below which we had to look for the selling opportunities. Today there was a clean close below this rising channel, indicating that there is a possibility of breakdown. Then you saw that after this breakdown, the price went again to test this channel support area and it started acting as a resistance. And if you would have sold here, you are still short in the US dollar index, which is the major trend, because the bias is bearish. But are you going to target 102.57? No, we are not going to target 102.57, but our fresh target is 101.63. But on the way down, this particular low that the price has just made can offer some support to the price, that is 102.31. We may turn cautious around here. All right, so this is the first target, 102.31 for us. Let's see how the things unfold, but this is right now how it is going. Let's have a look at the pound. Well, to pound, we said that yes, there is a possibility of rise, and this was supposed to be a support zone, but the price never came down to this level. Let me take you through the 4-hour chart maybe, where there will be more clarity. You see, this price 1.2775, which was the previous resistance for us, has started acting as a very good support right now. See, look at the 4 hour. 1, 2, 3, and even I think this low here is around 1.2791. Okay, so these three have been very good support, and now the price is definitely going to go higher from here, with the first target as 1.2828, second target maybe this high. I'll put it out for you, this one. In fact, this one you can remove. I think this one you can, and this one also you can remove now, because the price is not going here, so why to keep any distraction over there? Well, the bias is bullish, and we are looking for 1.2894 as the first target, and if the price trades higher than that, then the price will be open to go to 1.2996 and 1.3143 in the coming time. All right, this is based on the 4 hour, but we should be basing it on the daily. So I think the next resistance is 1.2996 and 1.3143 only. These two are the resistances. What is happening in case of euro? Well, euro has already been bought, and 1.0960, it is very bullish. If we go on the 4 hour, we will see, okay, so there has been some real buying in the case of euro. The first target being this previous high, which is 1.0981, and the second target being 1.10002, and thereafter it is open for 1.1139. So is it 4 hour? Yes, it is 4 hour. Yes, after this 1.10, there is no resistance until we see 1.1139. So there is almost 139 points possible above 1.10. All right, on the way down, if the price starts going down from here, on the basis of 1 day, the support is around 1.7095, but if you base it on the 4 hours, you can say this low here around 1.0868 is the support. Okay, but we are not basing our stop loss and trades on the 4 hours, so on the daily basis, I think 1.0795 is the support. What about the Australian dollar, guys? Well, Australian dollar has failed to go higher than the previous day's candle. It is an inside bar, so I'm expecting more down move here in this one, because the buyers are not very finding it very what is it called, very good area to go and open buy. I think the price will keep on going down towards 0.6543, or maybe it will go sideways for some days before you can get the interest of buyers in this market, and that will emerge, I think, close to 0.6543, where you can buy this with the target of 0.6668 and even higher 0.6748 in the coming time. On the downside, if it starts going, then 0.6443 should be the support area. Excuse me, guys. I'm sorry guys, I got a call in between. So I was talking about the Australian dollar. I think Australian dollar is heading again towards 0.6668, and maybe it can go towards 0.6748 also, but it will consolidate for some time before it makes a move towards 0.6748. That is what I'm thinking right now. Talking about the New Zealand dollar, it is still consolidating. I think Aussie and Kiwi both are consolidating a bit. New Zealand dollar, when it starts making a move, 0.6218 will be the first level of resistance. If it surpasses that area, then 0.6278 will be the next level of resistance. On the way down, it should find a huge support around in this zone of 0.6112 to 0.6077. USD CHF, as was expected, I said that tomorrow it will be a selling day, and it is a red day, but we were expecting actually the price to go to this zone before starting selling off. Anyways, it has started, and now the price can actually go to 0.8455. Before that, it will go here. Why it did not panic? So 0.8551 is the first level of support, and that also will occur only if the price goes below this low of 0.8730. So let's see how the things unfold. Right now the resistance is this zone and the support is 0.8730. Below this, I think 0.8551 will be the support. USD CAD, similar case, because it's the US dollar getting sold off, has gone lower than the previous 2 days. Now the next level of support should be around here, and the next level of support will be 1.3359. So keep an eye on all these things, and on the higher side you should keep an eye on this resistance here around 1.3620. USD JPY, 148.92 is the resistance. Right now this is an inside bar, so there is a probability that the price will keep going up before it meets this area 148.92, where I'm expecting a huge resistance from the sellers to push this market down towards 145.89. So resistance is 148.92 and the support is 145.89 in this market. New Zealand CAD, I was expecting the buyers to come in here. They have come in, but the sellers have again pushed them back. So there's a possibility that the price will keep hovering here for some days before it comes to 0.83202 around 18th of March. So that time we can expect huge support here with a target of 0.8417. And if that doesn't happen and the price trades below 8278, then it will definitely go towards 0.8188. So keep this thing in mind. If you do not get sufficient support here and the price trades below 8278, then the next level will be 0.8188 in this market. It can also go towards 0.8105. But I think the New Zealand dollar, after this consolidation against the US dollar will be over, the New Zealand dollar will start rising against the Canadian one. So from here also you can drop another channel like in the 2 hour or maybe 1 hour like this. You can drop channel like this, and then when this channel is broken to the upside, you can expect the price to keep going up, and I think that is going to happen above 8278 anywhere soon. Talking about the Bitcoin has seen another higher high today. If you go and here, you'll see that the Bitcoin has made another high, which is around 73,707. Although the buying power is not sufficient to push the prices more now, so today or tomorrow there is a possibility of a breakdown here. This may be a hangman, but I'm not sure yet about it, and the market will sell off only and only if the price goes below 59,200. Till the time it is holding, we are not selling this market, at least on the 1 day basis. On the 4 hour basis, I think this is going to be a support, and this low is around 68,725, because on the 4 hour it is making higher highs and higher lows, and between these two highs this is the highest low. So this is crucial on the 4 hour. All right, Brent, we were expecting the price to go down, but it is rising. But anyways, 84.62 is the resistance below which I will not be looking for buying this market. So let the price go higher if we have to be buyer, and if the price remains lower than this 84.62, then I will be a seller in this market. But from this price action and from this breakout, it looks like it will definitely break out of 84.62 to the upside, where the first target will be these highs here. I think I must mark them on the chart. This will be first, this will be second, 87.81 will be the next target, 93.80, 95.97. So these are the three consecutive targets, but for this the price has to trade above 84.62. so let's see how the things unfold. Right now there is no certainty, so just stay away from this market, stay away. All right, stay away from this market, no trading in this one. In the gold also, yesterday there was a breakdown. I mean, on the daily we saw a red candle, but now the price is making an inside bar. Inside bar means a symmetrical triangle or a matter of indecision. So if you see an indecision forming, then you should stay away from that market. Okay, so just stay away from this market for time being, till the time the price is trading within this symmetrical triangle that I am creating. You should not be making any move, I think. All right, when the price breaks out of it, then you can look for the opportunity. All right guys, I think that's all from my side. This is the last, that is Nikkei. We are looking for a breakdown in this one below 38,093. the breakdown will be super confirmed, and the next target will be 35,676. on the way up, I think 39,271 should be a very good resistance. Let's see how the things unfold in this one also. So this first is 38,868, thereafter 39,271, and then third resistance 39,3631. This you can raise up to 40,566 now. So these are the level of resistances that you have to keep an eye on. The support being 38,093. Below this, the next support is around 35,676. So keep an eye on all these three. Bain is not a stock that we are trading, but it is just a place where you can ask questions. So if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the chat box that is provided, and I'll be very happy to answer. If no questions, then I will be wrapping up this session. Please ask questions if you have any doubts, or you can just say hello. All right guys, I hope you know about the support and the resistance levels that are of interest in the coming hours and days. Just remember to only risk 1% of your capital in any single trade, and look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk. With this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. Leave your suggestions in the comment section after the video is published, and consider subscribing to the channel for more such videos. Have a good day. Thank you very much for your time, and see you tomorrow at 1700 GMT. If you want to ask any question, you can ask me in the Skype, that is @bsoldier123. Bye bye. Take care. See you tomorrow at 1700 Greenwich Mean Time. Bye.